Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. again, and I just wanted to do a quick app review that also you can use in a different function. So this app is called Slydial. It is available for Android and iOS, and very simply, this is a simple application. So put a link in the description. And this app allows you, this service allows you to actually dial any cell phone number. And let's just say, for whatever the reason, you don't want to, you just don't want to talk to the person, or well, you may have your own reasons. And basically, this just allows you to call directly to their voicemail. It does not matter what service provider they have, as long as it is a cell phone number, it will go directly to their mailbox, and that's it. Their phone will not ring. All they'll see is that they have a voicemail, and that's it. So now I'm not going to click around too much here, and there really isn't that much to do here. But anyway, so you can see here on this under Slydial, you have a picture of the phone, and then in the middle there's your contacts you can go into, and on the very right you can't use anyway unless you want to actually pay to do multiple. I'll show you. Okay, so the first one's call, the middle one's to go directly to your contacts, and then this one all the way to the right here, it says this feature is for customers with group Slydial balance only. To add this plan, you don't need it. Okay, you don't need it. So we're not going to be using it that much anyway. So let's go back to home. Here we go. So we can add favorites if we want. By hitting the plus button on the bottom right, or very simply, if you know the contact number, if it's already saved in your phone, you hit the middle icon, or if you just have it written down and it's not saved in your phone, then you just go hit the phone all the way to the left. You literally just type the number in here, and then you'll hear before you're able to leave the voicemail, you'll hear a little message from Slydial. It'll say like, "Welcome to Slydial service," blah 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 blah. That's it. And then after that, it just goes right to the voicemail of the person, and that's it. So now, if you don't want to download the actual application itself, let's just say you don't want to put any more, I just like it because it's just simple. It's there. Okay, cool. I don't have to do anything else. But under, let's see here. I think it's in more. Yeah. Okay. And frequently asked questions. So you don't even need to download the app if you don't want to. You can literally just dial, because you don't have to sign up. So you can just dial 267-759-3425, and then from there you would enter the number, and then it would go directly to the voicemail. Now the app is better because you don't have to go through dialing that number and so forth. You just get the number that you want to use, and then call it. You listen to a short message, and then it goes to the person's voicemail box, and that's it. So this app is the app and service. They're very simple to use. So links will be in the description. Like I said, the app is called Slydial. It is available for Android and iOS. So if you don't feel like talking to someone, you can at least say, "Hey, I left you a message." So that's it. or whatever reason, So it works though. It works. I've tried it on multiple numbers. So very cool stuff. So Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. Maybe you'll find some use for this, because I did today. So, alright, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.